Hi family, I'm Dr. Brenda Awoburiosty. I'm a licensed daycare provider, a published author of 3 children's books, an advocate, a consultant, a veteran's wife, and a mother. If you need help setting up your daycare service or just looking for great ideas to incorporate a play-based learning approach as well as learn about research-based solutions to issues impacting education, this is the channel for you. Subscribe, share, like. Thank you. Okay, guys, I am in love with this projector. Look at that. Look at those beautiful projections it is making. I did put it in different, parts of the room so you can kind of get a view of how it truly looks. I love the brightness. I love the colors. I love that it is snowflakes and Santa and candy. I did some holiday shopping with Temu, and guys, you have to see what I got. And if you stay till the end, you will see how much I spent. This is the 15-piece Christmas tree at Fisher Christmas tree decoration. It is $6.49. And I got this because I'm going to be decorating my classroom for the season. And I needed these little Christmas trees as ornaments, as decorations in the classroom. So you'll be staying, I will be doing a video on that, on how I decorate with these. And also when my classroom is all decorated, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. They are different sizes. They come in different sizes. They have glitter in them. So they're shiny and they're absolutely gorgeous. I think I like them. So let me dip in the bag again, just like a mystery bag. And every time you put your hand in, there's something new coming out. So our next item is 1-piece wrapping paper cutter or replaceable blade. And it is $4.49. Guys, I have been wanting this cutter for ages, I've seen it everywhere and I was like, I need to get that because I wrap a lot of gifts for Christmas. Guys, I have these videos here where I show my gift wraps, and it comes with that little screwdriver and extra blades. Can you beat that? The next item is the 1-piece Snowflake Christmas laser projector light. It is $6.89. One of the best things I like to get is a projector. I have a couple already and I saw this. I was like, I need to get that. Who doesn't want Santa Claus projections on their walls? Especially this is the season, So I was like, I have to get that. And it's very simple. There was nothing to assemble or disassemble. It was just, I didn't need to put batteries or anything. All I needed to do was just to plug that plug in. And it was good to go. And I'm going to show you where I put it. One thing I noticed about this projector, the further you go, the bigger the projection. So like here I was projecting it in a small space, and that's what I got. And look at the colors. Look at those colors. I love it. It's beautiful. I don't know, I'm just I'm obsessed with projectors, and this one is absolutely amazing. I'll be using it for a while. You see how the scope changed when I moved it to a bigger space. I noticed that, and you can keep that in mind when you end up using it. So I'm just putting it in different places, just checking it out, feeling it out, seeing how it works and everything. It's beautiful. It's simple to use. It's affordable, and those colors are mesmerizing. And like I said earlier, if you put it in a bigger space and if you go further, like the further you go, the bigger the projection. So I was very close. I was just right there. and the projection wasn't as big, but still it's okay. It still looks pretty nice. I just turned the light on, so you couldn't really see the colors coming out, but it's a 10/10 for me. I love it. The next product is the Doodle Painting Roll Painting Paper Roll DIY Painting Color Filling. $2.99 is what I spent for this, and this right here is a roll of beautiful pictures that I am going to let my kids paint. I do a lot of things, and most of the time I work alone. For instance, I'm making lunches or getting activities ready, This, I was thinking, would be a very good thing to transition my children from one activity to the next. So if I'm real busy in the kitchen, I can give it to them. They can paint it and have fun with it. The next one is my favorite. Is 1 pair Festive Christmas Nutcracker banner for outdoor decorations for $4.79. Guys, it is my absolute favorite. It's long, it's very beautiful, it's well painted, and it's gonna be easy to maintain it. I love the material. Look where I put it. I took it to the classroom. I started decorating little by little, not so much, but look where I put it. Look how beautiful it is. There's a second one, and you see that in a minute. But come on, what do you think? Don't let the background of my classroom, mess your view up. We are still fixing this room up, and I'm going to be doing a tour after we've decorated for Christmas totally. But this is the second one. They are the same sizes and, the same Nutcracker, but I put them in 2 different places. So it's not just an outdoor thing. You can also use it indoors. So the next thing I wanted was the 5A super fast charging cable, 66 watts, suitable for Xiaomi Honor type. And it was for $1.99. Okay. I don't know if you get this thing on your phone sometimes and it says you're not using a fast enough charger. So I've been getting that, and I needed something for my phone. The last thing I got was the 7-piece natural crystal stone set, 7 chakras, gemstone, healing stone for $2.29. And I'm a stone collector. I'll call them rocks sometimes. And I see beautiful rocks. I collect them. I use them for different things here. And I saw these and I was like, man, those look so good. I really, really want them. So let's look at what I got. For everything, I spent $29.93, not even up to $30. I think that was pretty amazing. Guys, the link is linked in the description section of this video, and also I'm gonna pin a comment. I'm gonna leave all the links there of all these products so you can go directly to them and get them and start decorating your house and getting your house ready for the season. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.